Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi. That is my phone ringing, and it's a number I don't know, so they can go to voicemail. How dare they disturb my video recording? Anyway guys, what we're doing here is a set with, as you can see, some green nails and some gray nails. And I am just painting these. The green polish is by Mifa, and everything is going to get 2 coats. You're not going to see the 2 coats, but you know everybody's getting 2 coats. This gray polish is the Model 1's cream gel, solid cream gels. And I'm just painting these up. Now when you do 2 coats with these, I recommend you wipe off the sticky layer before you try to put the second coat on, because these cream gels really do not like to go second coats. Just a little heads up. Now we're using the E-Nail Couture base coat on these because that's the base coat I have that transfer foil likes the most. And these green nails are getting a little transfer foil, so we're going to go ahead and base coat these up. And I did not quite have enough on my brush. So how are you today? I hope everyone is fabulous. Now I'm just showing you that we are using some Born Pretty stamping polish, and that is in the Galactic series. I do not remember the name of that color, but I'll put it down. Or maybe it's the Universal series. Anyway, I'll put it down below. And we are going to go ahead and use this swirly pattern on one of the nails. And as per usual, these stamping plates are not long enough. The pictures aren't long enough for the whole nail unless you have really short nails. And at least this time I let you see me stamping. Yay! I got a little flotsam and jetsam down there, so I'm going to clean that up. Just going to wipe it off. Wipe it off. There we go. Now we are going to clean everything up. And I use a little tape to get that off. And I didn't like that, so I added a little more. This polish, I'm going to tell you, I love this polish. It is so, so nice. I've had it for going on 2 years now. And it's still really smooth and delicious. And I think I move up a little so you can see. No, I don't. No, I don't. But look, that came out pretty good. Pretty good. Now I'm moving on to a different swirly pattern. That way they all have swirly patterns, but they just... you know, there's a subtle difference, subtle shift and change. But I do love this one. I think I come up so you can see. Yep. A little bit. There you go. And I think, do I clean that little bit up? Nope. I'm just going to stamp right over that little line. I guess I must not have noticed there was a little line there. And I'm just lining it up and stamping it. And see, you can see the little line there because I didn't clean it up. Up, little bit out of focus. Also, this stamping plate is by Born Pretty. I think that showed earlier, but just a heads up. But this polish is really good, guys. It was a set of 3. There's a pinky shifting one, this green one, and a blue one. And I love them. They are great. And just so subtle and beautiful and shiny. I really like it. And there we go. And that's the last of those. Now I do let them sit just a minute so they completely dry. And that's why we're going in here with the gold transfer foil. I can make words come out my mouth. And I didn't show you all of that one because I dipped off camera as per usual. Actually, I think I threw those nails in the swirly nails in the lamp just to let the heat sort of dry that polish because I didn't want any drag marks. And that's where they are right now. And I'm just adding some Mifa top coat. Now be sure to let me know if you like this set in the comment section below. I think the green and gold together is fire, you guys. It just, it's giving me life right now. And I really love how I tied in the green on the gray with the stamp. So, and the green also has sort of a gold shift, so it all pulls together and turns it into a nice coherent look. And there's a little shaky cam for you, because of course. And here's top coat and time on that. Look at how shiny. It's so pretty. I need to paint that lid, or actually I've been looking for a little metal box. I have really run through the Mifa polish, not all the colors, but like that top coat, that's gonna be done soon. I actually need to do a top coat shop. And here's the finished set. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love, love, love this set. I like that the green is sort of, I just moved the light so you can see that green a little better, and I think that you get to. I love that it's almost a jelly. It's kind of a jelly color. It's like a deep, deep jelly color. Guys, let me know if you liked it or if you didn't. Just say hey, whatever you like in the comment section below. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.